So we have a good idea and understanding of what variable expressions are and going from phrases to expressions and kind of translating between English and math. So now let's practice evaluating them. So we're going to substitute numbers in for the variables and actually get some sort of numerical answer for our expressions. So the thing you want to keep in mind when you're doing these is really simple, really straightforward, is just plug and chug. Don't think about anything else. Just plug the numbers in, do the math, and you'll be fine. So I'm going to move kind of quick because this is a really basic concept. If you're having a hard time with these, chances are your fundamentals are off. You might have a hard time multiplying fast or adding fast or subtracting or dividing. If that's the case, you need to go and practice that because that's going to make the rest of your math experience really, really difficult and challenging, and it doesn't need to be that way. So if you notice you have a hard time keeping up, and preferably you're doing these along with me, but even if you're having a hard time keeping up just in your head, watching and following along, you need to go back and practice your basics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So I got two really simple ones here. We're going to say x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 10. So here's our first variable expression, x plus y. So I'm going to substitute 4 for x and then 10 for y, and we'll get 14. And then over here, we got x times y over 2. So I'll substitute 4 for x again, 10 for y over 2. That's going to be 40 divided by 2, which is 20. All right, y minus x plus 100. So we just plug and chug. So I'm going to plug in 7 for y minus 1 for x plus 100. And then then you just use your order of operations rules. Just go watch my videos on that if you don't know those. So we're going to go left to right because all we got is subtraction and addition. So we'll have 6 plus 100, which is 106. All right, 5x plus 2y minus 3. So I'll substitute a 10 in for x, a 9 in for y, and then chug right along. So 5 times 10 plus 2 times 9 minus 3. And we'll go left to right, starting with this multiplication here. 5 times 10 is 50, plus 2 times 9 is 18, and then minus 3. Again, left to right will do us good here. 50 plus 18 is 68, minus 3 is 65. All right, 10t minus t plus p. There's a couple different ways you could do this, but it never fails you to plug and chug. So that's what we'll do here. I'm going to plug in 5 for t, so 10 times 5 minus 5 plus p. And let's see, 10 times 5, or actually, why did I write p? Let's make that 100. Okay, 10 times 5 is 50 minus 5 plus 100. And then we'll go left to right. So 50 minus 5 is 45 plus 100 is 145. All right, negative 9 times x minus 2 times y plus 5, plug and chug. So negative 9 times 7 minus 2 times 0 plus 5. Negative 9 times 7, that's going to give us a negative 63. And then minus 2 times 0, well, that's just 0. So we can just say minus 0 plus 5. Negative 63 minus 0, well, that's still negative 63. Plus 5 is going to give us negative 58. All right, we got a squared minus b in parentheses divided by a plus b squared in parentheses. So I'll just plug and chug again. So 5 squared minus 1, and the one on the left. And then on the right, we'll have 5 plus 1 squared. Okay, and then I'll just take care of the exponents in each of the parentheses since that comes after p in PEMDAS. So we'll have 25 minus 1 divided by 5 plus 1. 25 minus 1 is 24 divided by 6. That's going to give us 4. All right, next up, c over 5, or c divided by 5, plus a plus 3 plus 2 times the sum of b plus c. plug and chug. So we'll have 5 over 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 times b plus c. That's going to be 6 plus 5, which is 11. So I'll just go ahead and do that. 5 over 5 is 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 times 11 is going to be 22. And then we just add. So I might do 7 plus 3 first because that's 10. And then we have 1 plus that plus 22, which is going to be 33. Again, if you're not keeping up, you got to practice your basics. Just telling you like it is. 11 times x minus 5 minus 3y. X is 2, y is 1. Plug and chug. 11 times 2 minus 5 minus 3 times 1. So 2 minus 5 is negative 3. 11 times negative 3 minus 3 times 1 is just 3. 11 times negative 3 is negative 33. Got minus 3 is going to give us negative 36. X cubed minus 12y plus z over 9. X is 3, y is 0, z is negative 45. Plug everything in, so we'll have 3 cubed minus 12 times 0 plus negative 45 over 9. Instantly, I know that that goes away to 0 because anything times 0 is 0, so I can just ignore that. And then 3 cubed, or 3 to the third power, is 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then 9 times 3 is 27. Plus negative 45 over 9. 45 over 9 is 5, but it's negative, so we're going to have plus a minus 5. Adding a negative is like subtracting a positive. 27 minus 5 is 22.